Creating complex pipelines often starts with a blank canvas. SnapGPT AI Skills reads your intent and transforms natural language into working pipelines, smart expressions, SQL queries, and more. Accelerate your workflow creation from idea to execution through SnapGPT. To begin, click on the SnapGPT icon located in your portal toolbar. Once clicked, the interface opens as a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. The SnapGPT panel is fully adjustable. If you'd like more space to work with, simply click and drag the edge of the panel to resize it. This is especially helpful when reviewing longer prompts or analyzing generated results. Upon opening, you're greeted with the Welcome page. Here you'll find an introductory message and an overview of the tool's main features. This page helps orient new users and provides quick links to key areas. Before starting, review and acknowledge the data privacy policy. Now, in the SnapGPT homepage, you'll find various AI skills including prompt input, pipeline generation buttons, and analysis features. Let's quickly review the default configuration settings before starting to generate pipelines. Click on the settings icon to customize your SnapGPT experience. Here, you can adjust the settings to have SnapGPT open automatically for you, adjust the LLM model being used, as well as other settings. Various customization options are available, including the LLM model to use. This gives you the opportunity to leverage your preferred enterprise providers. With SnapGPT, you're no longer starting from zero. Whether it's building pipelines, refining them, generating SQL, or configuring mappers, SnapGPT helps you move faster, think smarter, and deliver sooner. To transform your business with SnapGPT, visit SnapLogic to get started today.